Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about advanced text edit customize options on Filmora. So, we would add a simple text here. Then double click on it. And click advanced. Let's change text here. Then you have filling option here. Also you have color fill, gradient fill, and image fill. Then you have text effect, opacity and blurring option. Outline of the text. Also opacity and blurring option. You have also thickness of the outline. Also the shadow of the text. But first let's add a white background to see the difference. On the background option you have opacity, radius and spread of the background. Also on shadow option we forget, we have effect of the shadow, blurring and distance. This is how it looks for example. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.